Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to show you how to replace the rear camera on the iPad mini 6 2021. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires for iPad screen removed from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the side to lift the front screen. In between, insert a few plastic pickers or car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling. There are flex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen gradually and tilt about 45 degrees from the bottom. Next, remove the plate by undoing 5 screws. And then disconnect the battery plug and 2 connector plugs connecting the LCD and touchscreen. Now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, on the top right, remove the bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the power and flash sensor plugs. And then disconnect the L-shaped rear camera plug. Next, gently pull out the not working rear camera using a tweezer or pry tool. Next, secure the new camera on the body. Next, secure the flash sensor and power flex to the logic board. Next, paste the adhesive and secure the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place the LCD assembly by connecting both plugs and then secure the battery plug. Next, secure the bracket by adding 5 screws. Next, before clamping, it is good to verify the screen and replacement unit functionality. Next, secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. You can use B7000 glue or new double-sided screen adhesive. Slide in the top section first, then click the sides and the bottom to clamp up the iPad mini. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame sides. Finally, we use screen binding to tie the screen to the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.